Hi guys, this is Iyad and today I'm going to show you how to use soft tab in Appgyver. First of all, we go to component market and install soft tab component. Just dragging this component to the canvas view, and we remove other components from the view, and we can see that it uses a list of objects. Each object contains two properties. So we are going to the variables and we will create a list of objects, each object with two properties. Both properties are text. The first one is ID and the next one is label. We will add some values. We'll add the ID 1. The first label is sandwich. Another item, burger. You can add whatever items you want. And after finishing adding the items, we'll go back to the view and we will bind this page variable to the soft tab component. Here I am going to rename my variable to be meals, not variable 1. This is better. I will rebind the page variable meals with the soft tab component. Now let's try. Let's see the soft component, how the soft tab component, how it's looking on the mobile phone. Okay. I'll add now the components which are going to be visible and invisible according to the selection of the soft tab. I'm adding here image. You can add whatever you want. You can add container or title or any component else. I will add the image now. Okay, I will save it and I will go back to the variables. I will add a variable with the type object which will include and contain the value which is coming from the selection of the tab. It has only one property called value. I will go back to the view and then for the tab component in the logic view I will add a receive event and I'll change the event source to the property called active tab ID changed. So when changing the active tab, it will set the page variable which is selected tab and will set this with the value coming from the property which was changed. It will be in the event object. To try this, I will add alert and try to see what's going to be the output of the event object. I will select the variable, the page variable, select the tab, and I will see it as a message using the alert. Let's press one of the tabs and see. It will give me the ID of the uh, tabbed tab, of the selected tab. Okay then. Now I will change the visibility of each image according to the value, to the selected value of the page variable selected tab. I will write if sentence here in the formula for the visible property of the image. If it's 1, and you can realize here that I put the 1 in the quotation because it's a text, not a number. If it's 1, I will make visibility to true for the first image, and if it's not 1, it will be false. And then I will copy this and repeat it in the visible property for each other component. Just change the number from 1 to 2, and then 3 and 4. That's it. Let's try the component now on the mobile phone. Okay, you can see now that the canvas is empty when we start the application, but then when we press any of the tabs, it will be changed according to the selected variable, and it will show the image according to the selected tab. Now I will, to show the first tab when I start the application, I will use the set page variable for the selected tab in the page canvas, in the logic of the page view, and I will assign a value of 1 for this variable for the selected tab dot value, for the property value of the selected tab variable, and save it. And now we can try. So when we start the application, it will show the first one, and then by selecting other tabs, it will show other images. That's it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.